Work though. YouTube, runs go crazy. That's my Instagram, but alright YouTube, man, we got another video coming today, man. I'm finna shoot the Jackson and go fuck with the real Tez, man. If you ain't following him on YouTube, go follow him. I'm gonna go meet up with the guys. It's about a 2-hour drive, so I'm gonna get y'all a cold start and hit the road, man. If I can find my keys. Alright. Maybe y'all go get a cold start.
20 minutes later.
Alright. I had a long night last night, man.
I don't know where I felt like I get a little drink around.
But I'm on the road to Jackson, man. I'm about 2 hours out, and they having a little car meet. They invited me out, and you know, that's what come with this shit, man. You know what I mean? You gotta hit the road. Let me turn this music down if I get copyrighted. But you gotta hit the road, man. You feel me? Late nights, early mornings, man. You know what I mean? That's what I signed up for, man. So I like this shit, man. Get to drive the car, man. Go to car meets, meet people, connect. You know what I mean? That's what this is all about. That's what we do, man. That's why y'all watching this, because y'all like this shit. So that's what it is, man. So I'll get with y'all when I get there, man. I got about 30 miles before my tank on E, and I got about 96 miles to go. So I'm definitely gonna have to stop at a gas station, man. My bad, I had to turn that music down before they get me. But yeah, I'm gonna have to stop at the gas station, get some gas real quick, man. But we almost get gas, man. We ain't too far out. I'm putting about 50 in the tank, man. Gas is higher than Giraffe. You feel me? Yeah, so I'm putting 50 in the tank, man, and it's windy, man. But very windy. I should have brought a coat, man. I ain't got no coat, but you know what I mean? It's worth it, man. Fuck it. You know what I mean? We gonna go out here and have a good time, get some footage, man. And yeah, man, I'll be back when I get there, man. Man, I'm just not making it, man. I'm in Jackson, getting ready to pull up, man. Right up the street. Yeah, they out here. They out here for sure. They out here. They out here for sure. Yeah. Okay, okay. Work though. YouTube, runs go crazy. That's my Instagram, but that's YouTube too though.
My boy is ready to go subscribe to my boy, man.
What's up, man?
Last thing he just drove 2 hours away to come with it.
Yeah, had to. What's up with you, bro? Kyle, bro. Kurt, nice to meet you, dude. Where your staying at? I seen some of the content over there. Yeah, check that bitch out, man. Need to get my shit washed. Y'all shit clean as hell. Y'all go subscribe, man. ZL1 out here. Carbon fiber hood. Tez shit, man. Got the 5.0 out here. I'm gonna try to drop everybody's shit. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to my boys, man.
Oh yeah, appreciate it, man. TGO_Kurt, man. Y'all know.
There you go. Go ahead and add him. Real Tez out here.
Real Tez _, man.
Yeah, go ahead, man. Go tap in. I'm gonna drop everybody's names in the description, man. But we out here though. Let me tell you. I appreciate it, man.
What year is that?
It's 18.
Is it? That motherfucker look brand new though.
Yeah, yeah. Oh damn, my shit dirty as hell. I didn't even know my shit was that dirty.
Crash that bitch.
I just went through the damn auto wash.
Yeah, I should though. I don't know what they got the no touch, right?
Yeah, no.
Yup. Yeah, cause I don't even know if I can fit the lip on that.
That blue is so clean, bro.
Yeah.
Look at the 7, man. I'm gonna get the shit out of his ass and take it out the car. What's the fuck wrong with it? Look at it.
Z51 Ross.
Let's hear it. Damn, hey, your feelings gonna be hurt when I get the shit out of you. Hey, he's gonna pull behind the Camaro.
Yeah, that blue go crazy though. That blue definitely go crazy.
This is the first time I've seen that. We only got one now.
That's my next upgrade, Z06. Hell yeah. Z06. Hell yeah, that win. Got the SRT Jeep Cherokee, man. That military green. That bitch go crazy. Man. This bitch go crazy. We got some shit out here, man. Some nice ass cars. Damn, look at that bitch. That motherfucker fat. Hell yeah, bro. It's Calvin, man. Yeah. You got a channel or something?
No.
Not yet, not yet?
Never.
Never? You ain't fucking with it? He said never. That motherfucker nice though, man. I was gonna get my car washed, man, but we had a little problem back there. The police pulled up. I don't know what happened, but we finna get on up out of here, man. So I'm gonna catch y'all at the next location. Oh, they wildin'. Oh, they wildin'. Can't be wildin' like that. Jake's done pulled up. I know he called back up. I'll be back at the next location, man. Alright y'all, man, this video gonna be all over the place. I ain't grab all the footage I wanted to, man, but shout out to the real Tiz and everybody else, man. We all leaving. We all leaving, man. Hell yeah, man. I had to show out a little bit. But I'm gonna end this video here, man. I'm about to head home, man. I need to use my GPS because I'm 2 hours from the crib and don't know where I'm at.